When something goes wrong with your home's electrical system, the first question is always, how much will this cost me? In Allentown, Pennsylvania, the answer depends on a few key things, like the age of your wiring, the complexity of the repair, and whether your system is up to code. At Shafnisky Electric, we believe in honest, upfront pricing. We start with a thorough inspection, so you know exactly what's needed. No guesswork, no hidden fees. Sometimes a simple fix is all you need. Other times, we might recommend an electrical panel upgrade or new wiring to keep your home safe and running smoothly. Trying to save money with a quick DIY fix? That can backfire, leading to safety hazards, insurance headaches, or even bigger repair bills down the road. That's why it pays to trust a licensed residential electrician who knows the local codes and puts your safety first. We've helped homeowners all over the Lehigh County area get reliable residential electrical repairs without surprise costs. If you want honest answers and a fair price, reach out to Shafnisky Electric for your free estimate. We'll make sure your home is safe, your questions are answered, and your repair is done right the first time. Don't wait. Contact Shafnisky Electric today and see the difference a true professional can make.